Like, hello? Listen, y'all. We all know eyebrows are cousins, not twins. Okay? I'm going to start by brushing my eyebrow hairs up and over. And then I'm going to take my Benefit Precisely My Brow in number 6. So I'm going to take the pencil and start filling in my brows. I like to do this very lightly, and I start from the middle of my eyebrow and work outward. And then I just like to get to the end and wipe down so it creates like a little point because my ends aren't existent. And then right when it gets to the front of my eyebrow hairs, I will stop drawing the underneath, and I will go in back here and start lightly feathering it in. And then I feather in the front part very lightly. And then up here, I will try to curve this out. And if you mess up, I just take my finger and wipe. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in the tail and just wipe so it gets that nice point. And then brush up and out again. And then do the same thing with the other side. Brush up and out. And then start drawing from middle to end. And then drawing in this part that's missing down to the tip or tail, and then wipe. And then feather in. Now I'm taking the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I like to start like middle end because I feel like when you first apply it has like a lot of product. And I'm just lightly brushing this through my eyebrow. Still in the up and over motion. And then very, very lightly towards the front. And then for the other brow. And then, so I want to fix this tail just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is go back with the pencil and on the outer part, thicken that a little bit and drag it down and wipe from the outside. So now it looks a little bit more like this one. Listen, y'all. We all know eyebrows are cousins, not twins. Okay? But that's really it for the brows. I like to set my brows after my makeup, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and then come back with the finished look. Okay, and now that my makeup is applied, I'm going to go ahead and take my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter and just set my brows. Still combing them up and over. And the tail I comb down. And that is it for my brow routine. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.